Empaths, we've got to talk about gaslighting. It's a tool, a tactic designed to manipulate and control you. Ultimately, the ambition is to make you doubt yourself. It's your girl, Keeley, psychotherapist who's passionate about helping empaths understand the dynamics between them and narcissistic individuals. Because when we don't, our mental health deteriorates. And like many of the empaths I support, you may get to the point where you feel like helping is a curse. Helping, having a kind, empathic heart is never a curse. But if you don't learn how to protect it, well, naturally, the takers will find you. And takers need givers, and givers need takers. Therefore, being able to protect yourself is essential for your greatness. Gaslighting. Many of us have had this experience where someone flips the truth on us, and then you start to think, oh, well, maybe it was me. Was I sure? Well, in the song It Wasn't Me by Shaggy, started kissing on the counter, it wasn't me. He captures gaslighting beautifully because it is acutely clear that he was cheating, but what he is trying to do is to get the girlfriend to doubt herself. Now, if you've been in situations where you've doubted yourself and you've seen some odd, shady behavior, then this is one thing you need to understand about gaslighting. It trades on your self-doubt. As long as you don't believe in yourself, then naturally you will disproportionately believe in others. At times that can be helpful for you, but at times it's going to be problematic because people have their own agendas. Often us humans have our own interests at heart. So you may hope that the narcissistic individual would put you first. Well, you know, that's a recipe for disaster. Well, they'll only put you first unless it's going to help their own agenda. But the reality is, for many of us empathic people, is we have to learn to develop belief in ourselves. You see, when we doubt self-belief, gaslighting works because we abandon our viewpoint and start to consider the viewpoint of the person who's trying to manipulate us and control us. So if you have self-doubt, this impacts on your self-belief, which I believe and I really know will impact on all aspects of your life. It may keep you playing small when you know there's something great within you that needs to come out. However, you give away your power to manipulative people who control you for your own ends. If you want to understand more about this, look below, click the events. I'll be holding events on gaslighting and all manner of the dilemmas that empaths go through. Empathic people, you are not alone. Don't be shamed by your experience. Often what we need is trusted, experienced professionals who get what you are going through. You are far from alone, but ultimately it is your duty to look after yourself, because if you don't, who will?